Kuya Copio and Ate Dina Guillermo, both of you who were Marcos loyalists, even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog. All of you, can you all of you be a non-political? Like I said, I had enough about Marcoses. You know, Kuya Copio, when you criticize Bongo, what will be happen to your wife? Oh, if you criticize Bongo, if you're saying about, what's that in Tagalog word? Makukulong daw si Bongo dahil sa flood control corruption. You know, according to the ICI, there's no the list of Bongo. You know, Kuya Copio, enough about your tirades against the ally of Duterte. You know, this is really nonsense, and I know it's really kind of nonsense. I am saying, you know, Ate Dina Guillermo, if you say you love Bongbong Marcos, you will reflect yourself. Oh, this is very hard to those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. They didn't know about the Civica from Teacher May Tibur show. When I say again, when I repeated those words, I want to repeat it. Nino Barsaga and Sangkay Janjan and Romeo TV Vlog and even Jam Magno and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Ate Dina Guillermo and Kuya Copio. I just want to explain. Look, oh, if you heard about the Civica from Teacher May Tibur show, oh, what if I describe that magnanakaw pala si Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. At lalo na yung anak niya si Bangag. Oh, magnanakaw. Oh, you do not know what you're talking about. All of you, even you, Eskel Penumbra, you love Bongbong Marcos, even you, Teacher Kelpabelo. Both of you will be reflected. Because people there, they're anti-Marcos. Oh, will I ever explain it to Mami Ellen Olea? Oh, we read the Civica, and I read the Civica. We discussed that with Teacher May. Thanks to everyone. If those idiot Marcos loyalists who want to bash Teacher May, I'm the one who's gonna bash all of you. She's my teacher. Oh, she is my teacher. She is telling the truth. Oh, if I want to invite Teacher May Tibur show to Banateros, even Banatbay, she will be featured in SMNI, and she will be discussing about Civica. Oh, and I want to invite Teacher May in Banateros. Oh, and even the Duterte vloggers. Oh, even Kiko Barsaga will notice about this. Oh, you do not know about the Marcoses family are the greatest robbery of the government, and you do not know what is the history was. Oh, I'm telling the whole the history was. You know, Teacher May was right. Oh, and all of you just stop bashing at Teacher May. Aside of Paulo Cruzada, aside of Gina Sejo, all of you, those Marcos loyalists who are fake Filipinos, can all of you just stop bashing at Teacher May Tibur show? She has her own opinion. She has her own history in Civica. When I was with me and Jens Manaid, 2015, we already discussed that in kasaysayan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas. We already discussed that. Civica. Remember that, Kuya Copio, Sangkay Janjan, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Nino Barsaga, Romeo TV Vlog, Ate Dina Guillermo, and Jab Magno. You do not know about the history.